战场区域公开赛的人员由此进入。参加符文战场区域公开赛的人员由此进入。
You've arrived in Beijing at the 叫什么来着呢？这个地方，首都国际会展中心。Yeah, something International Convention Center, a massive place. So yeah, I had to kind of speed up the little walk here. 是直走吗？这个符文商场？
你要前面关去。
哦，行，谢谢。I just asked him if like this was the Riftbound place, if it's not obvious already. He told me I have to go through security check. Bruh. Uh-oh. They are disqualified. They're done, I guess. Or they could have been just like me, like not even playing, just coming to check it out. You can just come and go as you please. It's pretty dope. I feel like I'm going to like a spaceship. I'm gonna have to, I don't know, I'm gonna have to put this away or what. I'm so bad at controlling everything. Had to put the camera away as I went through security check because, you know, it's just like such top secret security. Yeah, they were really polite. They just, I think it's like policy. You can't make a video to go through it. So I asked them. They said, yeah, don't record. So I'm just gonna delete that part. Sorry, what is today? Today's the 31st. It should already be in the top 32. Oh man, too bad I have to leave. I have to leave in like an hour. So it'll be over by 8:30. You'll be finished with the award ceremony. 淘汰赛, 决赛. Oh, okay. Like runner-up. I guess 淘汰赛 is like runner-up. And 决赛 is like championship. So they'll start 6:40. It should be over by 8. I mean, this is pretty sick. The whole place. I wonder how the venues will be in the West. I don't think you can really compare with venues in China, to be honest. They're so massive. Seems I'm going the right way. Oh, I love this. This is a head for the smoking area. The official Riftbound smoking area. Too bad I don't smoke, or I would have to join up. So I guess it's up. Eh? Eh, 上去是这个符文商场这个东西吗？哎呀，谢谢。I got the McDonald's. Get some McDonald's. I don't know how much of this footage I'll include in my video. I just throw the whole thing in raw, so you can bask in the greatness of China and its massive monumental structures. Look at this building. I'm so impressed with this building, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just trying not to film other people that probably don't want to be filmed, so we'll have to see. You'll have to see it when you first show up and get the McDonald's. Is it actually McDonald's? Oh, it's just that way. Alright. 还得上去吗？是。哦，还得上一层。Yeah, come on, let's speed things up, Poogs. We want to see the event, Poogs. Hurry up, Poogs. Don't order food here. Yeah. Whoa. This is sick, dude. I am impressed. Oh, there's a signature station. Okay, I just walk around to wherever I want. This is definitely worth coming. This is actually sick. Just the whole production quality, everything's really nice. Where are the announcer dudes? No, I don't want to get in anybody's faces. Let's see where I can even move in here. Nice Mimikyu shirt. Okay, these are all official games. 区货公开赛。Oh, I love how I got here just to see it, a Volley Bear up on Kaisa. Love to see it, man. I'm rooting for Mr. Liang over here. Where are those players? Oh, there's the announcers over there. This is sick. This is just like the little shop inside of the events. I don't know. Nothing I'm really interested in. I guess most people will probably be interested in these play mats. They're like so expensive though. 120 kwai. So like 20 bucks. They are kind of nice though. Wait, how much are the sleeves? Even the sleeves are so expensive. 35 for how many sleeves? 105 sleeves. I don't know, maybe I'll just pick up some sleeves. And then yeah, they got the starter decks and everything here. I mean, it's nothing really crazy. Wait, what is this? I don't even know what that is. Why is it a massive box like that? Jeez, the Proving Grounds box is huge. There's more of this stuff. Yeah, not much to see. Gotta go check out, see how Volibear is doing. There were so many people just laughing at the crowd at this because the Volibear deck was just like getting everything, just getting all the perfect draws, and it was actually just so funny. Such good vibes. Probably wasn't fun for the Kaisa player though. Suppose I'll end the video with this. This is the championship card. So it's like it's a one of one basically. Like there are 4 champion cards. But for each regional, they have their own stamp, like their own names. Like this is Beijing, they've got Guangzhou, and then Chongqing, and I believe Shanghai. Is it Shanghai? I can't remember now. But yeah, so basically one of each. It's like literally a one of one. Like, well, that's kind of insane. But I mean, the artwork is obviously shared with the top 4 cards, which there would be 16, 4 for each regional. But anyway. Yuri on Discord called me out today for never shouting out to the OGs. So I'm going to go ahead and give Yuri the first official shout out from the Poogs in China channel. And just like maybe I'll put together like an OG list. People that have been following since the beginning. But to help me compile it, try and just like comment and say you want to join it. Because I don't know, maybe some people they don't want to be recognized. I don't know how this thing works, but definitely got a shout out to everybody. Thanks for all the support. And yeah, I'll just keep making videos every once in a while, but it's just like a fun thing for me though. It's not really serious, but I do appreciate the support always. Thanks.